are back. Yeah, we're going to end the week strong here today, chat. Let's get some W's flying around in that chat here today. Let's get the vibes up so I can match the energy. And we're going to be getting ready to go here. Yeah, there they go. What up, Yanosh is in the house. What up, Yanosh? What up, Storm Player? Storm Player's in the house. Yes, sir. What other mods we got here today? Chola's in the building. What's up, Marcus? Good morning, Amanda. What up, TTW? TK's in the building. What up, TK? What up, DT Gamer? Hero of the day is in the building. Let's go. Let's go. Big Max in the house. What up, Big Max? Oh, got a trades in the house. What up, got a trade? Let's get Sophia. What up, Kelvin? Good to see you, brother. Nightbot's in the house. What up, Nightbot? Perez in the building. What up, Perez? How y'all feeling today? Everybody doing good? Sergio TTE Bank Santos. I see you. I see you. All right, let me send the Zoom link out. What up, Travis? What up, Michael? What up, Xander? What up, Josh? Yeah, Rob Trades in the building. Rob Trades in the building. Ewan's in the building. What up, Ewan? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I see you. All right, let me send my Zoom link out, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. How's everybody doing today? Who caught that London move? Anybody? All right. All right, Zoom link is out in the Discord. Let me share my screen. And we're going to get the day started. Yo, 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 Candle Slangers in the building. YOLO Traders in the house. Did I say YOLO Trader? Shout out to YOLO. Let's get YOLO Trader. All right, share screen. And we are good. Let me get the chat over here. Drop these. Oh. All right, cool. All right, we're good to go. Yes, sir. What up, Merrick? Merrick in the building. Trader next door is in the house. What up, Trader next door? What up, Valet Dime? 3D Magic World in the building is in the house. Yeah. All right, y'all ready to get going here? Let's get the day started. Time to party. Yeah, time to party. All right. Music should be good. I think we're ready to roll. Let's pray and we'll get it going here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. Lord, we ask that you just go before us, bless this day, bless everyone that comes in and out the stream today. We give you all the glory for it all, Jesus. We thank you. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. Let me do this and let's go ahead and get this day started. Just Win is in the house. What up, Just Win? Just Win. Let's do it. What up, Travis? Good morning, bro. Yes, sir, my man. Thank you, bro. All right, time to eat. Music should be good now, right? Music should be good. I just lowered it a bit. Hallelujah. That's right, Candle Slanger. That's right. Even the wind and the seas obey. Never mind the music. Whew. Hallelujah. Let's go. Let's go. What up, PM Magnifico? Let's go. It's good. All right, let's rock and roll. Oh, SG80. Love you, love you, love you. All right, let's do it. What up, Louis G? Where's green at? Is that the green signal? Is that like the Batman signal for green? Alexandros in the building. What up, Alexandros? Yo, is that the Batman signal for green? The date of the YouTube is wrong again? Oh my God. What are we doing here, gang? Who's making these dates? What's today, the 19th? Oh, wow, that's actually the second day in a row I did that. That's funny. All right, let's get the day started. Welcome in, everyone. If you guys can give the stream a like as you settle in here today, that would be greatly appreciated. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got going on. Today is Friday. It is the 19th of January, not the 18th, but the 19th. And we are cruising through this month. January is typically a slower month for me. February, March, April, May though is gonna be a good time. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on as we cruise through this month. Already halfway through, and let's see what we got going on here today. So 10 a.m. is really our only red folder out here today, which you have the prelims, right? So that's about it. Other than that, there's some orange folders for the CAD, but that's about it. Nothing really in our way in terms of the news until about 10 a.m. here. So we should have some volume coming in as CAD has their retail sales today, and they'll be getting their numbers released today here. So with that, so yeah, we'll see what we got going on. Let's take a look at the charts and do a top-down analysis here. Let's do it. Music's loud. Let me lower it a little bit. How about now? Good? Should be good. All right, let's do a top-down analysis here on gold, and let's take a look and see where we're at. So we have, this weekly candle is now pulling back, right? So we broke the lows here. We respected the high. If you guys zoom in, you can see here that highs have been respected, right? Previous candle highs, lows have been broken. We have tapped into this support, and that was really our only job, right? That was our only job. Our job was not to continue all the way down here, but to retest the support that was formed. Now, as long as this weekly candle here, when it closes in about 9 hours, as long as it closes below this support level, I think next week you can continue to see the drive, and we can fill that wick and potentially even close below support here. So this candle doesn't look like it's going to be the one to do it. We also do have a bullish day ahead of us. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So daily did close bullish here. One thing I do notice about the daily is so number one, we closed with no top wick, right? So no top wick on that daily closure right there. You also closed below this range, right? So I know we were talking about there's really two major levels of support here. So you have this level right here in which price did close above, right? Price did close above this zone, but it also closed above with what? No top wick, right? So we got no top wick on that bullish candle there. This candle right out the gate popped up, made a high, came down. I believe it respected its own low the entire night or the entire session here. So we did technically close above, but there's this other zone right here, right? This support that we actually didn't close above. So could this potentially end up doing something like this here today, right? Candle closing back below for the next candle to drive. That would also make sense for the weekly candle to close below that low, right? If price wants to drive down next week. So those are some ideas that are ahead of us here today. We are very bullish currently, so we are going to look for buys here, but we are also going to be open for sells due to the information that we just discussed. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour has created a nice support here, right? So you have a support formed on the 4 hour time frame. Let me just, yeah, so you have this support right here. You also do have a resistance, right? So we did close right at that resistance level. This is a big 4 hour candle, because if this candle does close bullish, right, then you do have major resistance up here that price should retest, right? So we should tap into that level. If you get a candle to close bullish here on the 4 hour time frame, you may see the remainder of the day begin to move up like this. So this 4 hour candle that we're currently looking at is huge, because if we do close bullish, we can see that. But if we do close bearish, then that could be the start of what we just talked about visualizing that daily candle beginning to move down here today. So two options, right? We gotta really see how this candle is gonna close, being that we're right at resistance. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour did close above most recent resistance here, right? So you got a resistance here. You also have a support level right here, actually a little bit lower, more towards right there. And that's currently the range that we're in now. There's a nice clean move coming up towards 2041 500. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute also has this zone right here. Yeah, right here. So we want to make sure price gets above it, because you see how price was down here, came into it, and then rejected it, right? So we want to make sure price gets above it, because when it does, it tends to run up a bit. So, and then look, you see the move up, retest, and then the move up. So I think if we are going to run bullish, which it seems like we do have a lot of bullish volume here, then we want to see how price reacts in this range right here between 2028, it's like 800 and 2032. So right now we're moving up. We don't have a bottom wick on this current candle, but if we do get a closure above, you do have a nice clean range for price to continue ripping up here. So that is a range I'm very interested in trading in. We'll see if we can get that, and then if we don't, and we begin to reject, right, and we start kind of coming back down here, then I think you'll see a move to the downside and potentially come back towards like 2019 here. So that's going to be what I'm looking at here for gold right now. Obviously we gotta, wait for some pullbacks, wait for some closures, and go about it like that. So the 30-minute is going to close here in about 30 seconds. So we'll see how we close and where we're at come 7:30 here. Yep, that is it here on gold. Daily candle is very bullish. We did just break that previous candle wick. We are coming up in this zone now, so a pullback would be nice, but especially with no bottom wick on this candle. But let's see how we close and see what's going on here. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we also have a 1 hour closure in 29 minutes, and this 1 hour candle still has no bottom wick. So we know that volume will come in at 8 a.m. here. So that's in 29 minutes. So we'll see where we're at come NY open and take things from there. Yeah, let's mark this up. Yeah, you want to see a 1 hour close here, especially with no bottom wick there. And then yeah, we'll target like 2041, 2042, somewhere up in this range here. Yeah, it'll be the original target, and then you got clean move coming up, and then you also have more clean range above here for gold today. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the daily. That would be the daily coming up, retesting that resistance, which on a Friday, it's 100% possible. Yep. Cool. Let's take a look at pound yen too while we wait on NY open here, and we'll get our groundwork laid here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Oh, nice. Yeah, weekly finally retested that resistance there. Never did create a bottom wick. So yeah, that's tough, man. Damn, a lot of bullish volume here, man. Look at the monthly. Monthly is getting ready to just rip. Like, this thing wants to create the support now after consolidating. It's been consolidating for a few months here after this really nice bullish run, and this thing wants to rip. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly. Weekly's ending. It's already kind of done its job. Daily did close bullish with no top wick yesterday, right at resistance. So as you guys can see, daily close, no top wick. You have a nice push up, typical, right, to activate a lot of the buyers, and then now you see price moving down. We have not broke the lows just yet, but yeah, we do look pretty bearish here today. So yeah, 4 hour did close with no bottom wick though. So if we could break those daily lows here on pound yen, that would be awesome. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, I think these are the daily lows right here. Yeah. Yeah, if we could break those lows, man, you may see price push down here today. So let's see what happens. We have been moving down a bit. We do have a pretty strong bearish like trend here on the 1 hour. 4 hour is very bearish as well here after breaking all those lows. So yeah, I think we wait on what is this? 186.927. Yeah, 186.927, and then you have resistance up here at 187.860. So let's measure this range, because this may be an opportunity for us. Yeah, I think we could look for ourselves below, because if we re-break those daily lows, you should see volume pushing us down. This range right here is about almost a 30 pip range, so not bad. Not bad at all, so especially for pound yen. So that's what I'm going to look at here for GJ. If we do take buys, we definitely got to be above here, right? Above this zone. This may give us some problems here. So I'm going to look for buys above 187.873 and then sells below 187.384. Buys above. I don't want to take my sells here because it's just too choppy to the left. I think below, yeah, 384 is probably going to be best. So yeah. So that's going to be GJ. And it is Friday. GJ should get rolling here today as well. The music's too loud? Dang. That should be good. Yeah, it should be good. All right. So yeah, that's going to be gold and GJ. I'm not going to take any buys here on gold because we're just running up here with no bottom wicks. So I would much rather wait and see how this 1 hour candle closes and then go from there. Yeah. Yeah, let's take a look at Nas here real quick too, and then we'll sit back and relax. So NASDAQ on the weekly is moving up very nicely. We did break all the highs here again, so it gets very tough to trade, right? Take buys up here where there's no data to the left, right? We are in outer space, my friends. There's no ranges, no data. So it gets tough to do this, right? So we need a pullback. We need some sort of a pullback. We don't have a bottom wick on this daily. So it would be really nice to see the daily candles moving down, right? There's really nothing we could do up here. I'm sorry, but nothing we could really do. I mean, if you could take a buy here, where's your target? Right? Where are you targeting? So gets very interesting. I think we need some sort of pullbacks, whether that be on the 1 hour, the 4 hour. Either one is fine. We just need some range, right? We need some new ranges, new targets. So how are we going to find that? Let's go down to lower time frames here. So the nearest support on the 1 hour is way down here, right? It looks like we're attempting to create a resistance. We did just break the lows there, right? So let's go ahead and see what the 30 looks like. 30 does give us a range here. So you have a nice support right here, a nice resistance. If you break below that support, you should drive down, right? You should drive down and fill this range as this 1 hour candle is really driving here. And the 4 hour looks like we may reject, right? And again, we do need a pullback. So we would be betting on the pullback here. And, you know, a closure below this, what is this, 17,100? That's probably going to be pretty solid, right? For us to potentially take sells here. So yeah, that's going to be what I'm looking at NASDAQ. Pretty nice, tight, clean range that we could take advantage of. So that will be that'll be the day here on Nas100. Yeah, nothing for buys though, because again, there's nothing to nothing to the left. Nothing to the left. All right, cool. And now we wait. Now we wait. 4 hour, if we wait on the 4 hour close, we'll have much better direction. We may miss a bit of the range, but we will have much better direction, right? Because if this 4 hour candle closes and it closes below, or not even below, but just closes bearish, then we have a much stronger confirmation that the next candles after making a top wick should move down here, right? And tap into our target. So, you know, we'll see what happens around 8:30, you know, NY open-ish. But 9:15, I think 9:30 should be the play here on Nas100 today. So we'll be looking for it. We'll be quick with it, and we'll see if we can get involved. See if we could do some business with Nas100 today. Yeah, and then gold, we just need some sort of a pullback, man, because this is our last support here. So gold is tough right now. It doesn't give us the best price action. So yeah, all we can do is go off of what we see to the left here. So yeah, we need a pullback. What I would really love to see on gold is maybe us make this move. We close with no top wick or something, and then we can come down. Right, come down, do some sort of a fake out here, and give us a support for us to run back up. All right, so if we can get something like this, that's what I would be interested in taking on gold. You gotta see it to believe it. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Green? What's good? What's good? Hey, it's a sea of mods right now. Let's go. Shout out to all the mods here. Hey, by the way, I got something really special for all the mods next week. Really special. Really, really special. A gift from me to you. We'll also be picking a new mod next week, maybe. Ooh, maybe one, maybe two. Yes, a gift from myself to you. All the mods, baby. What up, Dino? What's good? What's good? Billy O'Neill is in the building. What's good, Billy? Yeah, but that's pretty much it. You know, this is going to be our best play here on gold. Being that we're extremely bullish. So I took a shot on gold last night right here. So where was it? Where was it? Yeah, I think it was right. Hold on. No, what am I doing? Where was it? Right here. So yeah, so last night we took a shot here on gold. You had a bullish closure above the range here, right? So you, hold on one second. So candle closed above, created support. We had a nice bottom wick here on the daily, right? Price created support right here. Let me just show you guys. So boom, we got a support. Oh, let me use the other one. So support formed, right? Daily low. That's the daily low right there. Bottom. Yeah, was that the daily low? I think so. That was the bottom wick. Price closed above the range. We went like 7 or 8 pips in profit. Stops were kept below the previous candle lows, looking something like, let me show you guys. Right, position looks something like this. Stops are kept below the previous daily low. I mean, the 1 hour low right here. And we were looking to target this zone right here. So that was the play we took, just like that. And ended up managing risk. So we went about, I think it was like 7, 8 pips in profit. Yeah, like 9 pips in profit. And we're going to potentially go break even at that wick fill there. So we never got the wick fill. We then moved our stops to the 30-minute low right here and got stopped out. So we lost like, I think we lost like half of our risk. And then price ended up ripping, you know, a little while later. I think price was just waiting on the London Open to pop here. So once we, if you notice Signals channel, if you guys notice right here, our entry is where this thing really got ripping. Only it happened 1, 2, 3, 4 hours later. 4 hours later, boom, and then it popped. Yeah, came up into that zone and then pulled back a bit and then right back up. So yeah, A+ setup though. Yeah, anybody else take that trade? It looked really, really good. Let me move back. Yeah, it was like late Asian session. Yep. You took that buy? Yeah, that was a good buy. Yeah, I think the volume kind of died out. I was gonna close some partials here. I was looking at this 15-minute resistance that we were coming into right here. But man, everything lined up. Daily was bullish. 4 hour was bullish. Our entry was the break of the 4 hour highs. 1 hour was bullish. 30-minute was bullish. Created support, breakout. So gotta take that. Yeah, as we were coming up into this support level, I think it was like, resistance around, where was that? Yeah, we went like 9 pips in profit, but didn't close anything. Congrats to all the mods. Yeah. Mods are gonna get a special gift next week. What up, Dennis? What up, Dennis? Send the application for the mods. You gotta send that to Green. Green@gmail.com. Yeah, who caught the buy on the swing back around and during London? Yeah, right here. Pre-London, huh? First row seat. What up, Stephen B? Good morning. Good morning, Sam, man. What up, AB Mike? That's good, AB Mike. Yeah, so we need a closure, potential closure below here, and you might have some sells here on NASDAQ. Send it to Yanosh. Yanosh is taking the applications. Yeah, once GJ breaks out of consolidation, we should be straight. Gold really needs a nice little pullback. If not, we may just rip up in this range here with no pullback. Oh, 3-day bootcamp, Nightbot spitting out. Yeah, me and Rafi were talking a lot last night about the next bootcamp, man. Cannot wait. We still got some time. We got well over a month, so we're gonna begin our planning and preparation. But we're excited, man. We're excited to get a second one done, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Shout out Nightbot. Yeah, the first one, the testimonials and the impact that the first one had was insane, and that was our first time doing it. So now we have experience under our belt. We have more knowledge and wisdom under our belt, so it's gonna be a good one. Yeah, we've spent one-on-one time with a lot of you guys too, just helping you out, answering questions. A lot of things really clicked for a lot of people during that boot camp, and they just needed maybe a little bit more one-on-one clarification. So we've all spent some time one-on-one with you guys, and it's no surprise. Like, it's no surprise who's winning, right, and who's getting the job done. And not only in the P&L, but in the mindset, right? In the mentality. That, I promise you, that's the most important part of this game. We can teach a fourth grader how to look at candles and, explain candles and technicals, but, it takes a lot to be mentally strong, right? To have that mental fortitude to survive in this game. Right? Because at the end of the day, this is investing, right? You're investing on a day-to-day basis. You're taking bets, right, with a probability, right? And going and basically putting your money in the hands of data, right? So you don't have control over it, right? Once it's in these markets, you in a way have to consider it gone. And that's very tough for people because, you know, the image of trading Forex is make money, drive Lamborghinis, and do all this stuff. But you got to understand what game you're getting into, right? And I would highly, highly, highly recommend that you stop listening to the Forex side of things and start to listen to traders who you never heard of online, right? Maybe you can catch them on YouTube here and there, buy their stuff, pay for their stuff. That's what I do, right? Go learn from real professionals, not you know, IG gurus, but real guys who work on real trading floors and do this for a living full time. You know, some of my friends that trade, they're way more ahead of the game than me. They will tell you a completely different story than what you hear online. You know, and there's such a professionalism that goes into this, because if you don't really have that professionalism, you are in a way gambling, right? You're just hoping to win and hoping to make money and hoping to take trades. And I promise you, that's not the game we play here, right? If you want to be in this game long term and develop the mind, develop the mentality, it's going to take a lot more than just hoping to make some money here. Yep. And it's a deep work, man. It becomes for those that really go into the depths, it becomes a deep work within. And that's one of the coolest parts about trading for me is it continues to stretch me, continues to help me grow personally, help me develop personally, help me build mental strength, right? Mental conditioning, and just challenges me to be the best I could be, because the whole game is up here, right? The whole game is up here. This isn't a physical game. This is a complete mental game. So it's an honor. It's a privilege to be able to grow and get out of your comfort zone and stretch yourself. Yeah, I like what John said yesterday. The price you go in is the price you pay. Yeah, for now on, instead of me being like, all right, chat, let's take a trade here. No, it's going to be like, yo, who's down to risk XXX to see if our idea works here? Because that's the way you should be looking at it, right? Of course, every trader wants to win. Every trader wants to do this, blah, blah, blah. But your stop loss, right, your risk essentially is the price you're willing to pay to see if the idea works. That's it. That's all it is. And if you lose it, it doesn't make you a bad trader, right? You took a bet on something that you've seen, something that has an edge, and you lost. That's the game you play, right? And as long as you have a good edge and as long as you have a good system to place those bets off of, in the long run, you will do well. Yep. Yes, sir. You have to hesitate, G. You have to make sure all things line up. I don't want to be Rambo in the markets. You know what I mean? Politely. I want to be a sniper, dude. I want to line that joint up. I want to fix my eyes on my target. I want to wait for the wind to be right. I want to wait for things to settle down. I want to cock that thing back and boom. Throw a 50 lot out. Bam, headshot. So you're right. You know, I am hesitant. I do want to make sure things line up perfectly, because I know when they do, I could take a trade and pay my entire monthly expenses. Right? So I don't want to be Rambo in the markets. That's a decision that I've made. Right? Being Rambo in the markets never helped me. So I want things to line up. And if they don't, I am hesitant. I am hesitant because I know the power of that one good sniper headshot, and that's the type of trader I am. That's the type of personality I have. You know, I want to go big. I don't want to go a whole bunch. I want to go big on one good setup, and that's the type of personality I have. So that's the type of trader I've become. lot of painful character development. Yeah. Yep. Absolutely. It will pay off, right? For those who are consistent and persistent, it all pays off. One trade could pay expenses for the month. That's why it's so important to, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly, Joe Fargo. Like, and you know, now I'm on a 400K, but when I was trading a live 100K account, literally like 2 trades paid my monthly expenses. Remember, I told you guys the way I live my life, right? If this is literally my income, right? And it's consistently going up, you know, again, most people are going to, their expenses are going to match this, right? And that's why they never even get here, because they don't understand that business and entrepreneurship take dips, right? And when these dips happen, you lose all your bread and you got to go back to work. You got to go back to a job, right? But because my expenses, or because my income continue to go up, I kept my expenses here, right? Because I'm not dumb, right? Because I've read financial literacy books, because I have a mentor who teaches me what to do. And in this gap, you create freedom. And anytime you do dive down and take these dips, it never hurts you, right? It never hurts you. So on my 100K account, what did I do? I continued making money, and kept my expenses right here. And that's it, right? So one good trade, 2 good trades would pay for my entire monthly expenses. So what did that develop in me? Patience, sniper mentality, right? Headshot mentality. So that's where things have kind of fallen in place for me. So hopefully that helps. Welcome to the 1% club. Yeah. ATR. Yeah, no, respect and love to you, bro. Yep. Your playbook's doing wonders in my life. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, you just follow the playbook. Oh, nice. Being a healthy stream, no bad language. Yeah, we try and keep it clean, man. You know, when you curse all the time, it just shows that your vocabulary is horrible. You have no vocabulary. About to start reading the dictionary. Yeah, man, I'm a sniper. If I was in the Marines or something, I'd be a sniper. Sheesh, I'm about to watch American Sniper this weekend. I'm a little confused that you marked up gold. Can you go over it again real quick? Yeah, gold is a little confusing in general right now because we don't have any, the 1 hour has just been running up here. So there's no real price action currently at this moment. So what I want to see on gold is either a support formed, right, like we talked about, and for us to get up in this range a little bit later, or some sort of closures, like range 2 sells, or even closures below 26 for sells. Other than that, what I could expect on gold is potentially, being that we are very bullish, you may get a pullback and then continue up. But don't really have much price action on gold right now, so yeah, just gotta wait for that to form up. Where's John? I'm sure he'll be here soon. Can't wait for February. I'm a stack this year. Yeah, we really get going in February. According to our playbook and the data, I mean, we've got all the data here, right? So January, I barely traded last year. I did do pretty well. I think I only took 1 loss, but didn't even take too many trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So didn't really do much, but February we began to heat up a bit. We took like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades, and then as you can see, like we just began to really get going there last year, and that's typically what you'll see this year. Remember, gang, we're literally in the first 2-3 weeks of the year here. You know, my friends aren't even trading yet. Yeah, and then April, same thing with April. So you should see price start getting really nice towards like February, March. Yeah, April, May. Yeah, we'll get running. Yeah, this is the playbook. You know, this is what the playbook gave us last year. About a 76, I think, % win rate, almost 80% win rate last year. So yeah, you could expect the same thing this year, right? We had the same thing the year before last year, right? So that's what I mean about never getting too caught up, right? Because look, in February we took 3 losses. We could have got all caught up there, like start crying and stuff. But you got to understand the game you're playing, right? It's the long game here, the long game, and then things just start getting going, right? As the months go on. So yeah, we'll see as we groove into the good old new year here. Sup, Nicholas? Nicholas ain't here right now. What you mean? Half hour already in, dropping wisdom. Yeah, that's right. It's not. Sometimes it's not taught, right? It's caught. Yep. All right, so we got an hour candle closure here. So we did end up closing bullish, but we also closed bearish here on the 30-minute with a pretty nice rejection here. So we want to see these candles pull back a bit. If we do get closures back below, there may be an opportunity for us to take sells, expecting the pullback, right? Expecting the 1 hour candles to begin running down to create a new support. So that's available, but we do have to get below 32 here in order to take those sells, I believe. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If not, we may just continue on up. Moving on up. And then GJ closed right at resistance, and NASDAQ back in the range here. Yeah. Can you explain why it's not a 30-minute sell rate? Yeah, because so let me show you the ideal celery, right? So the ideal celery play looks something like this, right? So let's say you got that bullish candle that closed above, right? Something like this. And then what you want to see on the celery is not, so you want to see the wick look something like this, right? Not this steep wick. So this is your ideal celery, because now you have an entry on the break of this high right here, right? For price to continue up. But the celery that we're looking at, it doesn't look like that, right? That celery looks something like this, right? Where, well, no wick on that candle, but something like this. And then if you guys notice, the rejection, the bearish wick is way up here, right? So where do we enter, right? So this is not the ideal celery. This looks to me like a rejection, and price wants to go down, right? Two completely different looks to the same exact thing going on. But this is what you want to see when you're looking for a celery play. Not this. Yeah. And could it still work? Of course. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Would I bet on it? No. Nightbot, we gotta get the signals out. So the signals channel is closed. Signals channel is now closed. So no more signals. Well, you know, only for the people that are in it already, but no more new members to the Signal channel. Yeah. So thank you, sir, for providing knowledge. I have learned many valuable things. We are trying to pass funded since September, but unable to make 7.5%. Then how can we succeed? That's the problem, right? Is that you think you need to make 7.5% a month to succeed. Now, you do need to make 7.5 or 8% to pass the funding challenge, but that doesn't void the first thing you said. I want you to understand the first thing is the more important part, okay? Thank you, sir, for providing knowledge. I have learned many valuable things here, okay? Those valuable things are what's going to take you to succeed, not the 7.5%, right? The best traders I know average like 4 or 5% a month, right? Do what you need to do with the knowledge and the many valuable things you have learned, okay? Maybe that's passing a funded challenge. Maybe that's starting with some of your own capital, right? Maybe that's getting a job or starting an online business and raising capital. And these are the many valuable things that you can use to level up, continue to go up the steps, up the ladder of success, and then eventually you'll be where you want to be, Muhammad. What up, Scotty boy? What's good? What's good? No new friends in the Signals channel? Yeah. Scotty boy. How you feeling, Scott? Right? Find a way to win. We talk about it, just win. You just have to find a way to win. That's it. Gotta use the noggin. Gotta use your brain. Trust me. You have been deceived, my friends, to think that traders make 10%, 12%, 18%, 20% every single month. I make 20% in a month. Trust me, gang, you've been lied to. I hate to break it to you because I know it's not what you want to hear. But the most professional traders that I know average 4 or 5% a month. Right? The only reason you think 8% is because someone has labeled that as success, aka prop firms. That's why you associate 8% with success. It's just not the case. Right? Do some people have really solid months every month? Yes, of course. Do most? No. Do you need that to be successful? No. I agree. Most profitable traders, single digits. Yeah, I do know traders who make 100. Yeah, me too. You know what I mean? And those are amazing traders. Those are gifted traders. Those are traders that you want to learn, not how they trade necessarily, but how they think. Don Vo makes those big percentages, and Don's a great trader, right? He's one of the traders I learned from, right? So it's no surprise that he's a great trader. Yep. We got another sniper here, FX Snipe. Yeah, you are being lied to, because most of the traders that tell you that aren't doing that. Are some of them doing it? Yes, absolutely. Are all of them doing it? Is that what you need to be successful? Absolutely not. Yeah, we're talking about long term. Long term. Right? That's what we're talking about. Am I going to start trading regulated brokers? Yes. I'm also going to stick with all my Forex stuff is going to be with prop firm. Yeah. Yeah, because they just got a better, I don't know, I just like their model a little bit better. But in terms of personal capital, I'll probably start using a futures regulated broker. Yep. Yeah, nothing. Can you take a look at GJ buys? Yeah, I don't see anything for buys yet on pound yen. So I think if we can get above this level of resistance here, then we should be good. Yeah, a lot of resistance right here, but you got a nice clean move coming up. So yeah, it wouldn't surprise me though if GJ did head down today, just being that we closed a no top wick right at resistance, pretty steep rejection as well. But I am gonna look to take sells, but not until we break those lows there. Yeah. Yep. Time to eat futures. It's true. Siri asked me which one. Settings on trading view. Yeah. What do you want to see? What you want to see? Colors? Colors? What's the prop firm that you using? I'm finishing up some conversations with a really solid prop firm, in my opinion. I'm finishing up some conversations with them, and I think I found like a really solid prop firm that we could begin to use and work with. I really like the relationship that I've developed with the owner. Great guy, morals line up with mine. I love the fact that their firm does education for their traders too, which is big. And I even may participate in a couple videos for them guys and do some education for them. But I'll let you guys know if we finalize everything and I do get an account with them, and I'll kind of walk you guys through it. Yeah, I can't say any names yet. You gotta wait for Monday. And if we do it, I'm not gonna make them, but I'm gonna demand it. I'm gonna see what we could do for our squad and see if we can give some accounts away and all that good stuff. Why is prop trading better than using your own capital? You got pros and cons to both. I think prop is good to fund your own account. Yeah, because you can hit big payouts with prop firms that you maybe normally couldn't get. So yeah, you always want to be able to, see if you could fund your own account, because that's your own account, right? That's your own money. So yeah. Yep. Yeah, and the cool part about it is like we have any issues, I'll be able to kind of talk with them and be like, yo, what's the deal? Yeah, build up your own equity. Yep, that's what you want to do. Yeah, prop firms are good because they can get you ahead. You can have some big payouts, and they can kind of set you up a little bit. Set you up, get you some money, buy you some time, right? Buy you some capital to fund your own account, all that good stuff. 1 hour still just moving up here. Use ICT. Yeah, you got to. I agree. CAD news today. Yeah, we got CAD news coming out here in about 16 minutes. We got CAD news. So we'll see what happens there. Do you only depend on trading only, or you have other sources of income? Yeah, and in the beginning I was just depending on trading, right? But then I had a business, got rid of it, had a good exit on it. I also have, you know, now, like we're just talking about, like stacking payouts. You know, not only have I been able to put money away, but I've been able to dabble into other investments. So yeah, you know, I got multiple streams now, which is good. Got the coaching business too, so everything kind of adds up now. Yeah, you got to be diversified in life. Moves the jab. Words of wisdom. We'll see. We will see. Yeah, I don't even know if they're gonna do the FX Summit this year, man. Those guys had a lot of issues going on, I believe. Yeah, it wasn't the best year for that crew. I think greed may have hurt a lot of those guys. Greed, lack of communication. So I don't even know if they're gonna do that this year. Yeah, if not, we were gonna be in there. We would have been in there. In there like swimwear. I don't think ICT has a funding company, do they? I don't think so. Do they have a funding company? I don't think they do. If they do, I never heard of it. Yeah, Nas, if Nas moves up here, I'm telling you, there's nothing we could do. Right? Literally. What we want to see on Nas is a move down. Because if we can get a move down, then we begin to create ranges again. Right? So if we can create ranges again, then that gives us, you know, tradable opportunities, right? So if you can you need to see things like this happen. So now you have you have clean traffic to come up. You get things like this to go on, right? Boom. And now you're beginning to create new ranges, right? So then we can trade it how we need to, right? Boom, boom. And now look, now you begin to develop those new ranges that you could begin to trade again. So right now we're up here is just no man's land, right? So if we can come down, create these new ranges, then we have tradable opportunities. Yeah, above here, just nothing. Nothing. Which broker do I use? I'm not using any broker in Forex right now. I'm actually going to be starting a live capital with Tradeovate. Tradeovate, they're a futures broker. Currently in gold buys, nice. Yeah, if you're currently in gold buys, what was it? 2031.80? 2031.80? Let's take a look. 2031.80. Yeah, if you just entered off the break of the high, I mean, I was at least gonna wait for a bottom wick, but yeah, it's not a bad entry. Good entry. You should clean this range up. Yeah, it's a nice clean range up here. You got this whole zone. This is where price is trying to head to. But with no bottom wicks, I'm a little iffy about it. Yeah, we also have CAD news coming out here in a few minutes. Just a few minutes. Let's go, Dominic in the gym. Let's go. Be much happier with futures. Forex just like become. Yeah, I'm excited about it. I'm excited about it. Yeah, a lot of you guys trade on futures, right? Who trades on futures? If you trade on futures, put a F in the chat. I want to see who trades on futures here. Johnny Boy's in the house. What's good, John? Oh, hold on one sec, John. Top of the morning, young champion.
Good morning, brother. How are you doing?
Fantastic, you?
Amazing, bro. You already know. Best day of my life.
Yeah, alright to know,
Let's get it.
Oh yeah, a lot of futures.
Morning, chat. Morning, chat. Morning, everyone in Zoom. Hope you guys are feeling great.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are ready to win the day today. Let's go.
I'll be right back, John.
All right, bud. Yeah, you guys talking about futures? I know I've heard a lot of great things about futures. Good morning, Scott. Morning, YOLO Trader. Morning, TK. Dominic. Forex Frank. Dino. And Billy. It's good to see you guys again. Let's go. Arnie, Alexandra, Salmon. What's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. Just had to do some push-ups. Yanosh, what's up, bro? Yeah, man, I'm ready to win today. Ready to have a great day. Came to the charts, set out my plan. Now I'm patiently waiting, like a spider in the corner of a web. Patiently waiting for my prey, hunting my A+ setup. Very focused on patience and discipline today, just like any day. Go. What time is it by me? It's 8:21 a.m. Eastern time. Less than highly favored Sandman, you already know. Let's go. Morning, Miko. What's up? What's up? Yeah. Yes, Scott. The one I'm gonna go with is Trade of 8. Morning, Rob.
Trade of 8.
Yeah. I'm a spider in the corner of a web. That's it. Patiently waiting for that A+ setup. When my A+ setup arrives, it will jump off my computer. Then it's time for execution.
What are you looking for on gold today, John?
I'm waiting for a support to be formed. Yeah.
Very good.
Take my buys. How about yourself? Same thing, right?
Yeah, pretty much same thing. 1 hour's been running up here for a bit. I want to see what CAD news does to gold.
We'll get much more information.
The benefits for me are just regulated, right? I just want my money safe. That's all. I just want and I want my trading to be safe. You know, I don't want to experience things like crazy slippage or manipulated like pushes to like that's what my Forex was doing a lot. Like just basically puts the trader at a disadvantage. You know, trading's hard enough. You don't you don't want more of a disadvantage, you know, by manipulation and stuff.
Oh yeah.
And I want
Yeah,
quick deposits and quick withdrawals. That's another thing.
And I like a wire to the bank as well. I like that. Like with futures gives that option.
Crypto, no nothing, no crypto.
Yeah, exactly. And futures, come on, we all know it's definitely much more safe.
Yeah.
Especially with everything going on in Forex this last couple years.
Yeah. Yo, what up, Vasil? Good to see you too, bro. It's been a minute. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I was hoping to see you last weekend at that meetup. How do you trade futures? Same way? Yeah, same way.
Yes, Scott, there are. Just little different rules. There's a couple people in the chat who's funded with futures.
I lost $1,500. Please help me. Here, you are helped.
Okay, man.
Funded with Apex? Oh, nice. Yeah, I forgot, Vasil, you trade futures too. That's right.
The trailing stop's a little weird with that, but
$820 pumping us up here. $820 pumping.
or in C4.
What happened?
No, I was just saying good morning.
Oh, C4?
Oh.
C4 is in the house.
Yeah, I've heard C4. Very tight spreads.
What's your name on Discord? Person. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of spam pages, scam pages, just a bunch of losers, man, at work. They even got them of John now. So now we got John Stewart. So yeah, guys, just use your brain, you know. Don't just be stupid, you know. Just don't be stupid.
Yeah. I'm not a musical producer.
You guys have to think it's odd, right? Like I would think it would be really odd, like if Q Bank sent me a message like, "Hey Nick, how's your trading going? I have a secret handy dandy sniper entry algo that I haven't really introduced to anyone, but I want to hook you up with it." I mean, that would just be a bit of a red flag, right? So just use your brain.
Yeah, I know a bunch of people, but I'm gonna hit you up.
You've been randomly selected to take part in my super duper Bitcoin multiplier. Just send me one Bitcoin, I'll turn it into 2. Better yet, since I like you, I'm going to turn it into 3.
Cat.
I don't want your Bitcoin. I don't accept Bitcoin. That should put a stop to it right there. I don't take Bitcoin.
For real.
So you're not my Discord friend?
Just pray for them.
Nice. Yeah, just pray for them. They need some light.
I heard Top Step's one of the top dogs for futures funding.
Does the discount for TradeZilla you're using apply? Yeah, you have to put in a TTE24. TTE24, and then you'll get a 10% discount on TradeZilla. Yeah, TradeZilla is fire. I'll show you guys in a few. You can create your playbook and all that good stuff in there. So we'll track all the trades on TradeZilla, but we'll track them on our normal tracker too. But we're gonna use TradeZilla a lot more too. Yeah, GJ stuck, Nasdaq stuck, gold just stuck moving up. So yeah, this move we anticipated this move, but happened while I was sleeping last night. Did I learn from Q Banks? I did not learn from Q Banks. I don't know how Q trades. I've been inspired by Q and his brand and what he's been able to build. But other than that, I have never learned anything like trading wise from him.
Ooh, nice, Sandman. Nice.
Did I send you a friend request on Discord? I haven't sent a friend request on Discord in probably a year. So nope, not me. Oh, Sandman, you trade futures too? It only makes sense for people living in the US.
Yeah. Come on. FTMO banned all US clients. The top dog. What does that mean, you know?
Yeah. You guys been to Cape Town? Nah, we haven't been to Cape Town. Not yet. Is John your actual brother? Yes. Who's your trading idol? I don't have idols. I don't worship idols. I only worship the one true God, Yeshua. That's it. I have zero other idols. Let's see, eating on Discord. The food channel. What we got? We got anything new? Hey, time to eat times 2. AB Mike. Always chefing.
Damn, AB Mike.
Okay, brother. Okay. Damn. All right, bro. Nice.
Chilling. Man, it's chilling.
Oh, okay, my boy. Oh, man, I had some fire steak last night. Having some more fire steak tonight.
Gosh, that looked mad good.
What you guys munching on?
That looked hella good. What you sent me last night, Nick?
Yeah, it was. Whenever I want to smoke, I just scream, "Breathe air!" That's good. Do you know why FTMO banned all U.S. traders? Probably because they got a knock on the door and said you're gonna be in trouble. So they were like, "Yeah, we're not getting in trouble for U.S. people." And the U.S., to be honest, man, the U.S. is really
trash,
really tough. So that's why I want to get my capital in just a U.S. regulated broker. So there's no problems,
crazy.
No issues.
It's crazy, Nick. We were talking about like it's supposed to be the land of opportunities, right, with America, and it seems like it's going far from that.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I don't really think anything was wrong with funding companies in the beginning. They were paying people out. I mean, it's the U.S. I think it's having a problem with it.
I think the U.S. is more so trying to protect people in a way. Like, in a way, you know, that's kind of their angle. So, yeah. The U.S. isn't trash. Yeah, the U.S. is not trash. Watch your mouth, boy. Futures are the future. Yeah, exactly, Carlos. Yep. Still have my own account with Dominion. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. If you guys have Dominion Markets account, I think Dominion was a great broker. They just stopped allowing U.S. clients to work with them. Other than that, I'd still be there, you know. But unfortunately, I had to go, and that's kind of like what really got me diving into the futures market. And I also know traders that trade futures, so and they love it, you know. So that kind of got my wheels spinning for that. That's true, C4. The Matrix.
And don't think like, God forbid, funding companies go away, right? Don't think that you're screwed now, right? You still got the skill set, right? And that's all you need. You can get $1,000 account, $5,000 account, and that's technically, if you're risking 10%, that would technically still be a 10K or 50K account, right? So as long as you got the skill set, that's all that matters. So just work on building that skill set.
All right, 8:30 news is coming out here for the CAD, so let's see what happens. Price pushed up right away, coming down now. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour still has no bottom wick. I'm still in the US. Yeah, then yeah, I would take the money out because they're probably not going to pay you. So take what you got now. Yeah, they sent an email out about 3 weeks ago now about that. So yeah, make America wealthy again. Let's go. What up, Joe Stewart?
Joe Stewart's
in the house. Plan on switching the live streams to futures. I don't know. I like trading FX for the funded accounts, so I'll probably stick with that, and I'll just have my futures broker on the side.
Would you risk 10% on your personal account? Only if you got the skill set. That's it. Because your personal capital, it's all holds free, right? You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, by the way, get ready because there's going to be a lot of volatility. It's election year. Things are really going to start heating up in politics, and that's going to really drive the markets big time. So just be careful. But yeah, we should see a lot of volatility in the markets pretty soon. It's a big year. Big year in America.
Thanks, bro. Let's see what happens.
If you could move anywhere, where would it be? To Bali. I'm become Rafi's neighbor out in Bali.
Bro, that's the next move.
Yeah, I have a vision of a big family farm, you know, just buying a bunch of acres and raising, you know, getting help obviously, but you know, getting animals and livestock and all that good stuff. You know, physical assets and digital assets.
We need to.
Montana, yeah, I heard Montana's beautiful. Oh, forgot to check this chat here. Red numbers for CAD. Let me check. Yeah, red numbers for CAD here. Got it, CAD. 25. YOLO, are you in the US? Now Yanosh? I don't think Yanosh is in the US, right? Where are you guys at? I forgot. Yeah, we'll see what Nas does here. Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought. Germany. YOLO, where are you at? I forgot. I don't know why I can't remember. Oh yeah, yeah, that's right, India. Yeah, so you guys aren't. But everyone is affected by the US. Sniper Nick to Farmer Nick, yeah. We'll set up some sniper targets on the farm. Dink, dink. TT World Tour. The World Tour. Lived in Cali for 16 years? Damn. How was that? Cali's beautiful. I love going to Cali. Where are you from?
Never been.
I'm from New York. I'm from New York. You guys know where New York is? Hey, if you guys could give the stream a like, that'd be awesome. Yeah, we got like 1,200 people here and 276 likes. What a shame.
Like it up, chat. Come on.
Cali is dope, yeah. Yeah, LA is great. I've been to LA a few times. Gold hung up on that 15 level? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we gotta hit Cali up soon, John.
I know, bro.
Next is the lake house though this year.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been wanting to do that, so.
In New York.
That's gonna be fun, man.
I like lakes better than the ocean, to be honest. The ocean, man,
Same.
That's outer space. Trust me, you guys have been to outer space. Yeah, the ocean, man. You don't know what comes out of there.
See some weird creatures out in the ocean. Yeah, I also don't like getting too sandy either. That's what I like about the lakes.
Ditto.
I remember, Nick, when we went to Anna Maria Island, I remember like coming back to the crib, the beach house. We were so messy, bro. It was so sandy. It was like not a good feeling.
So sandy.
Sandy cheeks.
Bring out the whole ocean.
Ooh, my mic's loud. All right, I'll talk a little bit lower.
I haven't heard that one in a while.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean.
Tell him to bring out the whole ocean. The Hamptons, baby.
What's the furthest beach again from us, Nick? Clearwater, right? Like 45 minutes?
Yeah. Yeah, everything is stuck. Is it me or is it my terminal or is everything just stuck?
Nope.
Yeah,
Everything's stuck, bro. Might be listening to us.
Yeah, if we can get gold to continue down here, right? Give us some sort of support, then we should be good to move back up. Something like this. This is what we have. This is what we've planned from the start of today. Yeah, if we get closures below, probably below like on the 1 hour, like if we can get this 4 hour to actually come back, 1 hour to come back and close bearish here, then there may be opportunity for sells below 28 here.
Yeah, we should definitely get it with the 4 hour closure coming up as well.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a 4 hour close coming up here. Back to cap. I'm going back. Turn the mic up. Nah, I think I just have it pointed wrong direction. Should be
Nick,
good.
you went out. You went out this morning, bro. Pretty cold, right? Chilly.
Nah, it wasn't that cold. I didn't think it was.
Huh?
Excuse me, I didn't think it was too cold.
Been cold the last couple days here.
Yeah, it was cold yesterday.
Yeah.
Onion incoming. Yeah. I live in Clearwater in St. Pete. Oh, nice. Oh, I like Clearwater. Yeah, Clearwater, St. Pete. They're nice. Yeah, Clearwater. You go down there for sunset. Beautiful. Beautiful.
I've never been to that. I've never been to the beach down there yet. Definitely looking forward to going though soon.
Yeah. Sunday's gonna be freezing in Florida. Oh, what up, Felix? Sheesh.
Felix, what's good, bro?
What mic do I have? I have a Shure mic. We were just in St. Pete. Yeah, we were freezing too. I think Landon's on his way back home now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he said he was going back home on Friday.
I wonder, he might be on the flight now.
Yeah.
Hopefully he enjoyed his stay.
TK was about to leave his jacket in the car. He's like, "Yeah, man, it's nice and warm out here." I'm like, "You sure you want to do that?" He's like, "Let me bring it."
Yeah, TK, you know, man, it was pretty brick down here.
What do you do after the live streams? I go back and watch my trades, and I see you say trashed trade. Oh, man.
Damn.
Hey,
Damn.
I see you guys. You guys know I go back and watch the trades, right? You know I could see the chat, too.
We see the ones that are emotionally hijacked.
I see y'all. I see y'all. I see you, Shetty. I see you, Shetty.
Damn. What's up, Z Gamer? My man.
I'll be praying on my downfall. Damn. Just throw me under the bus, why don't you? Not only does Green see everything, but I see everything.
Trying to hurt our energy. Come on.
Yeah.
You know we control our energy.
Come on, brother. No shade throwing, man. That's only gonna hurt you. I promise. It's not gonna hurt me. It's not good to be like that.
Nick,
I
I love
forgive
the
you, though.
saying
I
you always
forgive
say. Hurt people, man. So true.
I need shade here. Yeah. I know we live in Florida, but we don't need shade, man. We don't need shade. Just let your sun shine bright, my friend.
For real. Come on now.
Yeah. Some people are like, damn, he's seen my comment too last time. I see them all.
People are like, ooh. We know who you all are.
Hey, man, one time we had people from the church. One time some of the people that came to my Bible study, like a week later, they were like, this horrible trade, you suck it. I'm like, damn, man. We was in church together the other day.
For real, dude. Spamming L's, like what? Like, damn. Harsh.
All right, I'm done.
I didn't know people could like hate on you for like taking an L on your trading. Like what?
Yeah, we won that trade too, by the way.
Damn.
It
What am
was
I?
a good trade.
What am I getting in trouble?
Yeah. No
Getting in
quaking
trouble
and
for like
drawdown.
taking.
I'll be honest, we've seen a lot of improvement on the drawdown quaking since the boot camp, because the boot camp was just super intimate and we really got to, you know, spill the real deal. So yeah, it's been pretty good. I don't think we had any quakes on the NASDAQ trade. We had some quakers on the drawdown on the last trade, but we ended up winning that trade. So chat with respect. That was my emotions, not me. All right, we'll forgive you. We'll forgive you. That's the thing. Emotional hijack. Go read the Forex mindset and go read the Forex mindset so you can learn about being emotionally hijacked while money is floating. Right? You gotta get this. This is what I mean. This is a head game.
Yes.
This game is a head game. Right? You guys see me down 10, 11,000 on that last trade. Don't budge. Don't budge. Straight composed, calm, cool. Just letting the edge play out. Either stop loss or management or profit. That's it. It's a head game, gang.
That's it. That's it. Broke isn't a disease in the pockets, but a disease in the mind. So if you guys could take control of your mind over the thoughts you're thinking, right? As a man thinketh, so is he. We become what we think about. It's the strangest secret in the world. So you can control your thinking. Start to have a money conscious mindset.
Yeah.
And understand you're good and God's in control.
Yeah.
Right? Things will start to change.
Yeah. You want to have a winning, abundant mindset, not a mindset that where you're renting mental real estate to criticism, complaining, and condemning. Those are going to kill you. Those are the devil trying to bring you down. You need to be abundant. You need to be positive, and you need to be focused, right, on just your race, right? Getting to where you need to be, being the best that you can be. You never want to put anybody else down for trying. You never want to put anyone else down in general, right? Right? That one saying, the only time you should look down on people is when you're lifting them up. That's it. Just be happy. Damn, you
Remember, you can't think negatively and positively at the same time. You're only thinking one or the other. So remember, what we control, time, energy, right? So we take control over that, build that up with positivity. That's what we got to. We got to.
Yeah. Now I feel like I've been punished for my sins. Hey, Shetty, you set yourself up on that one, brother. You gave that one right to me, bro. Wow, yeah, GJ's literally stuck here. Literally stuck. And Nas trying to make its way down. Yeah, the 4-hour closure here on Nas is going to give us a lot of direction. If we can close, we got 7 minutes, about 8 minutes left. So if we can close like bearish, especially below the support, that would be awesome. If not, I don't mind that we close up right at support, because we still do need a top wick for the new 4-hour candle. So what that would look like would be like another bullish candle, right? Closing, let me draw it a little closer. Another bullish candle here giving us a 4-hour top wick, and then a low right there, and then the next candle closing below, right? Whether this be on a 30-minute or a 1-hour, or 30-minute or a 15-minute, something like this, and then we could take ourselves coming down. Yeah. The Quakers will truly be with you to the end. No, the Quakers are good because you know, I learned some stuff too from the Quakers. constructive criticism. Am I everything to change the strategy? No, just fine tune. Just continue to fine tune. Yeah, continue to see what works, what doesn't in current market conditions. It doesn't need to change much. It just always has to be fine tuned in a bit to match market conditions. That's all. On Monday, I'll be a swing trader.
Why would we change what's been working for us the last 3 years? Wouldn't make any sense.
It wouldn't. Euro sell coming? Oh yeah, Euro. Alright, we're gonna sit tight, wait for the 4 hour here, and then see where we're at that point. I'm gonna be right back. But yeah, let's keep an eye on these 4 hour candles here, especially on Nas. Nas is looking like could be a better play here today. So we'll sit tight on that. Oh, AB Mike. What's up, AB Mike? Oh, nice, dude. Congrats on... Oh, dude, congratulations. Let's go. Another success story, baby. Yes, sir. Proud of you, bro. Very, very proud of you. Great work. What's
300K, let's go.
IG handle? Remind me when I get back, and I'll share it with you.
AB Mike, man, good stuff, man. Congrats. Great accomplishment. Yeah, the 4 hour's looking pretty good with this closure. We got 4 minutes. We create a bottom wick, right? What could that be, right? 4 hour bottom wick could be 30 minute, creating some support. That's what we were looking for, so just wait on it. Yeah, AB Mike, man. Congratulations. Great stuff. Any trades taken? No, not yet. Ooh, top of the morning from New York. Yeah, you got some snow? I heard there's been snow in New York the last couple of days.
Oh yeah, snowy New York.
Yeah. Heard the last couple days.
Yeah, it's snowing everywhere, man. Everywhere. It's pretty cold. I wonder
Facts. I remember the last couple years living in New York too. We barely got any snow, so I guess they were due for it.
Oh, it's gonna be a cold winter, I heard. Let's go, GJ. Oh, Chris. Yeah, it's Chris. What up, Chris? Let's go, bro.
Hey, what up, Chris?
Good to see you, man.
My man.
Good
Great to see you.
Hope you're doing well, bro.
Facts, man. Hope the family is great, bro.
Hope the garden's good. Hope the garden's
facts.
good in this cold. SoCal winters.
Yeah, Chris, how's that snow, man? Is it still coming down?
Discover abandoned. I like that, Chris. I like that name.
Facts.
What do you think about the future of prop firms? I think it's pretty good. I think they'll continue doing well. Yeah, they're a newer industry, so you know any newer industry got to work out the kinks. You know, work out. You know, find the perfect, you know, like the good ones, weed out the bad ones, make the rules set for the people. So I think they'll be pretty good. You know, they're not many traders succeed in general, so they know that. They'll always have a profitable model, and you know I'm sure they'll always have money to pay out. Most companies.
And I'm sure a lot of the owners of these funding companies are, trying to make sure their business is good, following the rules. So should be good.
Yeah, especially after all that, everyone's
Especially
kind of getting
by
themselves in
funds.
check.
Yeah, that's what Angelo said. He said he was working on if regulators did come, he was working on having everything that they needed. So.
All right, new 4-hour candle here. So gold did close bullish on the 4-hour. We do look good. Now maybe we can get our support here, right? Another push down to create resistance, right? Because we still need a 4-hour bottom wick, right? And what I mean by that is a 4-hour wick to come down, right? Like this. And then price can move up, fill that wick, and then continue on up. So what will that look like, right? What could that potentially look like here on, let's say, a 15-minute time frame? Well, that would probably look like something like this, right? Another leg down here, right? And a support to form. And then we could take our buys, right off of this support level for price to continue up, typically around 9:30 or so. 9:30, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45. Entry will be on the break of the highs to come up and fill this wick and fill this whole zone up here.
Straight on it.
If we look, we got clean candles moving up towards 41, 42 here.
All right, peace, Chris. Good to see you, man.
All right, Chris. Later, brother. Have a great day, man. Good to see you. Yeah, because if we take a buy here, that's cool, but we got no 4-hour bottom wick. All right, so I would expect the bottom wick here, especially after this big move up. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at GJ. GJ did close bullish here on the 4-hour, so lovely. So yeah, if we do get a closure above resistance here, looking something like this, then I'm gonna be taking buys here on pound yen. So we need some sort of a breakout, and then you got clean candles moving up, and that's a 4-hour wick fill right there. And then Nas, let's see Nas. I think we did close bearish. Oh, we closed a no bottom wick. All right, we did. Yeah, so we did close bearish here on Nas. So once we do get like probably a 30-minute closure here, 9:30. If this candle can close below the range, then we should be good to come on down towards like 17:30 here, maybe even further. So yeah, let's wait on that. 15 has some supports here, so we're gonna wait on the 30. And I think at 9:30 we'll have no problem breaking through these wicks here, which are those 15-minute supports. Gold, we gotta wait on the bottom wick. See if we could break these lows, that'd be great. Yeah, we also did close above resistance here too on the 4 hour. So this whole zone right here acts as like a resistance zone on the 4 hour. And it looks like we have closed above it here. So yeah, do expect to continue to see the bullish volume come in. How you doing?
It's good though. Starting to see what we wanted to see.
Yeah.
Are we back at all-time highs on Nas?
Yeah, Nas is all-time high, so we couldn't take a buy if we wanted to.
Yeah.
Same strategy for gold and Nas? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we sample size our strategy with Nas for 6 months, right? From June all the way to December. And we just started trading it in the last week. My right hand is in pain. I'm on the screen 12 hours a day, Monday through Friday. Yeah, man. I hope it's not just trading. I hope you're working on something else, right?
Yeah.
Because damn,
hopefully
12
not
hours
trading.
a day. That's more than you would work your job.
Nah, man. I wouldn't suggest trading for 12 hours a day.
My eyes are bleeding. How you doing?
How you doing? That's hilarious.
Psychology is the ultimate key for me. Yes, sir. That's exactly true.
It's everything.
TK. Heart fatigue.
Yo, TK, that's hilarious.
Eugene, yo. That guy's mad funny.
He is. My brother Joe has a friend who looks exactly like Eugene.
Joey, how you doing out there in the chat land?
Right, Joe? Joe, you got a friend that looks exactly like Eugene.
Eugene. Today we're at Mama LaRusso's Pizza. We're gonna see it. We're gonna get a slice from him.
Yo, TK, Ethan Sam's, that they were mad good, right? Hell yeah.
Cause the other bro, Eddie's and Sam's, baby. Take care, brush your hair. I'm gonna hit y'all with that on the outro today. Like, all right, Chad, take care, brush your hair. We'll see you on Monday. How you doing? Oh, man.
That's hilarious. No, honestly, Nick, I still think Eddie's and Sam's is better than Mama Beats.
Yeah. All right, cool. Look, we got a low now, so this is good. Remember we talked about this candle closing right at support? So if we can get this candle now, right, let's draw this out again. If we can get a move now where this candle will close bullish, right, giving us a 4-hour top wick, and then the next candle closes bearish, right? That's gonna be the play we want to see here. All right, this is gonna confirm that we should be good to continue driving down here today, especially being in these all-time highs. We do want to see price come down here on Nas. Yeah, this may be able to work here on the 15-minute as well, but I think the 30 is going to be our best bet. All right, cool. We're breaking lows here on gold, so we're getting a bottom wick for this 1-hour/4-hour candle, and then once we get a support, we should be good to go. Guitar's going in. Yep. Yeah, we're still very clean all the way up. You see right where we closed was at a 15-minute resistance here. So, yeah.
Honestly, the more we come down, the better.
How do you draw lines like that? Like what? Like this? This?
Zoom.
Ooh.
Hey, yo, again, a little artsy here.
All right, chat. We're moving into the circle. We're bouncing off of... What other shapes they got here?
This is how we have 100% win rate. Trading with shapes.
That's the shape strategy, bro.
Yeah. If you want me, hit me up. My membership is 10 grand.
And then you want to hit the middle of the circle. Middle of the circle is your entry, especially when it lines up with this angle point here. That's it. But make sure it's in the square. Don't ever trade outside of the square.
Facts. And if it goes in the diamond, immediately exit the trade.
Some of you guys ask, what strategy is that? It's your job strategy, the cubicle strategy. That's how you leave your cubicle. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, Nas is gonna get rolling here at 9:30. Yeah. Yeah, if we can get the 30 to close just like this, outside of the range, we'll have really good stops too. Cash cow. Thinking outside the box.
Yo, chat.
Yes.
Who set out their plan to escape the matrix?
Thinking outside of the box is the strategy of life.
Remember, the hardest job in the world is to think. That's why many don't do it.
Burn money strategy. Yeah, we got a red folder at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. today for the US.
Oh, Nick, could you imagine people started brainstorming more?
Yeah. Just might be successful. Just might win. All right, yeah, this will be nice here. We did close bullish here on pound yen for the 4 hour, so everything looks good, right? To continue on up, you got a nice clean range here. You have rejected the downside and have created support, right? So if we can get, so we created support right here. Now, if we can get a new support, so we got support. If we can get a new support here with a candle closing above, you have yourself a onion / breakout. Very clean drive coming on up here too. So let's see if the 4 hour really wants to get rolling here. This is also breaking the 4 hour highs as well. So that's where you should see that push. I had pressed sell instead of buy. Now I'm in drawdown. Dang. Yeah, it happens. I think it's happened to everyone.
Happened to me before. Long time.
Yeah, honestly, Nas looking the best here. And GJ looks good too right now. What I think of ICT? I've never looked into them, but a lot of people like them, so I'm sure they're pretty good. Will you be in Miami for the BTC event? When is that? When is that event? If you're slightly off with support and resistance, it could affect it. Yes, absolutely. Yep. Yep. Trading view? No, the what I draw is on Zoom. My bad. I think we just drew shapes. We didn't tell you guys. Yeah, that's a feature on Zoom. Yep. Morning fan. What up, Ricardo? What up?
Ricardo.
Nas on 30-minute. Yeah, so you did get a 15 close, but we didn't. So if this 15 would have closed below support, then yes, I would say we could take this off the 15. But being that we haven't, let's wait, or I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close, and that could potentially lead us into a 15-minute celery / 30-minute breakout, and then that's when you should see a drive. Like I said, the 30-minute should be, like, you guys see the way Nas runs, right, at 9:30. These two wicks right here don't stand a chance, right? They're most likely going to get just demolished, and price should move down into the support at like 1760, and then, you know, even down here at like 1730. Is the bootcamp in person or virtual? It's virtual. Yeah, bootcamp, man. Bootcamp is going to be awesome. I was just talking to Rafi and everything. Rafi's actually getting a massage right now. This guy. Yo, the massage is like $6 for like an hour.
Never heard of that.
That's what goes down in Bali, man. Bali. Got a gift for all my mods next week. Got a gift for the mods next week. All the real ones. The mods are here.
Yo.
We do a little modding.
A little bit.
Right? Mods are like,
Tell them to bring me my money.
tell them bring me my money. Mods got they're rubbing their hands right now. Let's go. I have a friend who moved to Bali and just trades, enjoys life. Yeah. Yep. Looks good to go. Mods in a mood. Anything for Nightbot? Yeah, Nightbot's getting special treatment as well. Yep. Gold ready? Can I be a mod in 2 weeks? Hey, Hunter's in the building. What up, Hunter? What's good? Oh, Indonesia. Okay, okay. Yeah, I had a friend go to Indonesia last year, and all the pictures were beautiful. Joe Biden? Who's that? Joey B? Hunter Biden in the building. Nah, that's Hunter Thomas. Or Hunter Thompson. No Hunter Biden here. Biden hiding. Hiding Biden. Damn, yo, even the people in even the folks in Germany and India, even they laugh at what's going on right now. Holy sheesh. Hunter, let me see that laptop, bro. What's going on with gold? It's trying to make a 4-hour bottom wick and a potential support, so it could probably blast off here pretty soon. So we just gotta wait on that. Yeah, 15-minute coming down towards support here. So if we can create support, then gold should be good to drive. Higher time frames are all pointing up, so we'll see what happens. Just gotta wait for now. Yeah, Nas looking good though. If we can close bearish here, be good money. Johnny, give me some tips on how to get a girlfriend. You don't need a girlfriend, man.
Wait, what? I just came back.
You need a wife.
Nah.
You want to look for a wife.
Nah, myself. Master yourself before you get a girl. Because a girl's another responsibility, man. So
you know what you need to do? You need to
master yourself.
Take a piece of paper, write down everything that you want to see in a girl. Everything you want your dream wife to represent. And then you need to take that and you need to read it. Right? You need to understand what it is that you're expecting, and then you need to put the paper down and look at yourself in the mirror and say, now what kind of a guy would that girl like? What kind of a guy could that girl fall in love with? And then become that guy. And then
there you go.
Pray, and then the lady will come. The lovely lady will be there.
There you go. Do exactly.
I hope that didn't go over your heads, all you single guys. And girls, by the way. Girls, what kind of a guy would you like to marry? Write it down.
Well, see, I mean, like, when I say the responsibility, I mean, like, make sure you have all your stuff, locked in, make sure you are being responsible yourself with your own life before you go and add more things to be responsible for,
Be a TT dating coach? No, take my advice. Take my advice and let me know how it works.
You'll be shocked. You take 3 to 6 months for yourself to really focus on yourself. You'll be shocked the results you get.
15 celery, 30 breakout. Can we get it? We got 7 minutes.
TK.
Rafi's in the house. Rafi, how you feeling after that massage, bro? Man,
Bro, Rafi?
Man, it's chilling.
Right, feeling good.
All right, I'll be right back. 1 sec.
Rafi, I'm sure another beautiful day out there in Bali. Feel brand new, facts. Can't move for the first 10 minutes after a massage. Bro, just joined. What's the view for the market? Hey, what's up, Pablo? Welcome. So we're focusing on waiting on a support to be formed on gold. And then Nas, we're just waiting on a closure. Rafi, for sure, for sure. Rain over snow any day, definitely. Yo, TK, that's true. I never even thought about it like that. Hey, good morning, Landon. What's up, man? Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're having a good day. Landon, you're on your way back home? Or are you still in Florida? Nah, TK, exactly. That's what I was talking about. You know, like, you got to make sure you got yourself in order first, you know? Gotcha, Landon. And remember, guys, we're all self-made here. We all are where we are because of the decisions we made, right?
Johnny Boy's the new love doctor, I heard. All right, Nas, getting ready.
Nah.
We got 3 minutes here, so
Yeah, TK, we're all self-made. Only the rich will admit it. Or the successful, I should say. I should say successful will admit it.
oh, GJ looking good too. Gold, I'm still not impressed with.
The Nas on the 4-hour looks super clean.
Yep, we already talked about Nas and GJ, so let's see if we can get it to play out here. Want to see a little bit of a pullback. Four-hour break and previous candle high here too. Can I pee first? Yeah, go ahead.
Business school.
Yeah, we got news at 10. Yep. News coming in at 10 a.m. here. Close BTC. Oh, nice. Trading BTC. Day trading it. Nice. Pull back. Pull back.
I love that, Scott.
Pull back a little for us, Nas. Oh. No bottom wick. Let's take a look at pound yen here. Yeah, GJ, we get a bottom wick on GJ. Looks pretty good. Nas, no bottom wick. Gold, gold, no bottom wick too, which is good. That's good for us. GJ, we need a bottom wick on this next candle here.
Yeah, of course, there's news at 10. Like,
yeah. So yeah, GJ's the only potential play here. GJ looks good too. 4 hour looks good. 1 hour looks good. 1 hour celery play going. 30-minute closure above. Yeah, stops will be kept below the previous candle low here. So gonna have buy stops here on pound yen. GJ buy stops. Yeah, looks good. 4 hour looks good. Right? 4 hour looks pretty good. Bullish. That's also us re-breaking the 4 hour highs. You got 1 hour looks good too. Like I said, celery play, 30-minute breakout, 15-minute breakout. We had just created a support as well here on the 30-minute time frame. You got a closure above the range, so you should be good to drive. Right up towards this candle, when this candle creates a top wick about 15 pips up, that is where I'm going to either look to secure some partials or go BE on this trade.
looks good.
GJ break? Yeah, GJ breakout, yep. And then gold. Gold, we gotta wait, unfortunately. Yeah, what we want to see here is a fake out here on gold. Like, if we can get a fake out, so price closed bullish here, right? We have no bottom wick on the previous candle. We get this candle to close bullish. Nice exhaustion wick to the downside. That should do it, right? That should be the support, and then this is our move up, right? Retesting these highs and then potentially moving on up to finish the job up there at 42. Selling gold, nice. Yeah, I'm not going to sell gold because we don't have a bottom wick, so no sell for me. What's Nas doing? Yeah, see, Nas just drove down. Yeah. Both gold and Nas, both no wick, and both just drove down immediately, and now coming back up. Yeah, GJ, we should be activated. So yeah, got into some buys here on pound yen. So got into some buys off of the break of the 4-hour high. Stops are going to be kept below the previous candle lows here. And then TP is going to be somewhere up in this area towards 185, 450, even 185, 500. And that's going to be the play. Yeah, would expect to see price give this candle right here a top wick. And then also kind of, if you look to the left, you have price come up in this zone a few times before, right? So if we can come make a top wick for that candle, retest these levels here, that'll be enough for me to take some partials. Partial. What's your stop? My stops are below the previous 30-minute low. That's also the current 1-hour low. Yeah, 15 closed above as well, 30 closed above, 1-hour celery. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, this is super
4-hour created support after a nice rejection, so yeah. Pump it up.
Yeah, 4 hours super clean.
You're so calm answering the same questions over and over and over. Yeah, so the way we'll manage it, if price goes against us too, is just if we close back in the range, then we'll manage a position and draw down, right? So we shouldn't close back in this range here. If we do, then price may just consolidate, right? So we don't want to be in the trade while it's consolidating. So we're gonna wait and see how 30-minute candle closes here. But it is 9:30. We should have volume coming in, and we should see a push. Shorting Nas, yeah, I think it's a good idea, but this candle had to close with a bottom wick for me. Yeah.
How much you get slipped?
I think like 3 pips, no big deal.
Bro, literally, like what?
Let's say you have a 30-minute breakout. What do you look for on 1 hour or 4 hour? Pretty much what you see here now. You have, so GJ makes sense on all time frames, right? So 1 hour looks good, right, to continue up after breaking through these highs. The 4 hour looks good as well after creating the support here. Nice rejection to the downside. Our stops are also kept, below the 4 hour low here. We have broken the highs. 30-minute did give us a breakout, right? And so did the 15. So that's the reasoning behind the trade. Everything is pretty bullish. I selected Think Markets on TFT, no slippage. Yeah, I'm going to be using Think Markets here pretty soon as well with this prop firm. They use Think Markets.
BCAP is terrible, bro.
What do you think, Nick? I'm so scared with this trade. I think you probably shouldn't have entered if you're scared. You don't want to be scared, right? You just want to play the position off of the data you've collected, off of what typically works. So right now you threw on a bet. You're betting, G. You're betting that this thing's gonna go up, right? You're willing to pay a certain price in order to find out if this bet works, and that's the name of the game. You may lose your money, you may win money. That is not up to us.
Probability game now.
Everything is in the hands of probability.
We don't know if this is gonna be a winner or loser. All we know is that the probabilities are in our favor. That's it.
That's it. Just be happy. If you're scared, just do some smiling. Go over in the mirror and just smile. Just smile.
Nice.
That's all you gotta do.
Maybe take some deep breaths as well.
Yeah, deep breath. Nice deep breaths. Nice deep breaths. Go stand up on a wall. Get your back straight and then just breathe air. How much am I risking? About $7,000. About 2%. There goes gold. Yeah, this is what you needed this on the hour. You needed this. This is like a relief to the hour. The hour right now is the hour chart is breathing air right now. What's Nas doing? Yeah, Nas got the hold up here. So gold closed with no bottom wick, but it's moving. Nas closed with no bottom wick, but it's holding up here. So we'll see where this candle wants to go here. But we should have a lot of volume coming into Nas here. Yo, AB Mike, congratulations, bro. Very, very, very proud of you. You know, you're one of the guys that we really started this stream for. You know, those are the stories, right, that we prayed for and hoped for that people would get out of by coming here and watching the stream. So big W for you for taking the knowledge and running with it. You know, I didn't do anything for you. You did it all on your own. You came here. You were the like Don can't take credit for my success, but I can take credit for showing up every day, taking it serious, learning from him, you know, listening, not fooling around, but really paying attention so I could change my life. And that's what you're doing. So it's no surprise that you're getting the results, and I love it, man. Love it.
Very good stuff.
Blow on the candle.
Not pound you in, bring out the volume.
Whoa, hey, yo, Green, whoa. Hey, Green, you know they got like a green signal now for you. Like they throw up when they're looking for Batman. They got that for you now.
That's hilarious.
Louis G, hit him with the green symbol. They need you in the sky. Bring Lele. Lele's probably snoozing. Green's got it. Green's the new Batman.
You're gonna read.
They're calling him. Hey, anytime there's a Quaker in the chat, just light it up with the green symbol. He'll know what to do. You guys want to see my drawdown, huh? Captain Green. Yeah. Nazi back up. Nazzy wazzy woozy wazzy. Yeah, screw it. We take a 1 hour sell. Yeah, we got 16 minutes for the 1 hour to close up here. So if we can get something something like this here on Nas, price to pump up like this, right? And then a bearish closure, then this 1 hour candle, the next 1 hour candle should drive, right? Because that's a little sloppy. Hold on. Boom. So looking like this on the 15, that's what that'll look like on the 1 hour is just a simple breakout and a wick fill. So next one should come up and then boom, drive down, finish the job. The finisher.
A finisher. I'm even playing games.
We need volume. Hey, it's 9:30, you know. Volume's coming at any time. It should be right around the corner. We got a 15-minute closure here in just a second too. 30 minutes still open. 15 may close and no top wick, but I'm gonna just let this rock. What time are you gonna start the live stream? Tomorrow, 7 a.m. No, just kidding. Be here. Nah, we start 7 a.m. every day. Let's see how this candle closes. Okay, cool. So we close bullish. We'll see what happens. 15 closed above here. So we should be good to go. Yeah, still, this trade is very heavily based off 30-minute time frame with 30-minute volume coming in. So that's what we're going to stick to here. Or that's what I'm going to stick to. Remember, I just happen to be live streaming this. All right, this is what I would do on my own. I just happen to be trading. Just happen to hit record, and you just happen to jump on the stream, and that's it. You know, you can take the trades if you like. If not, you don't have to. You can come for the other good stuff. Yo, the green symbols are everywhere. You stream Saturday? Yeah. Every Saturday. Monday through Sunday. Starting to snow heavy over there, Green? Damn. Yeah?
Uh-oh.
Got a snow day?
No snow, go away.
Snow.
Yo, what is good with GJ?
That's good, GJ. Pump, GJ, pump! We believe in you.
GJ Khaled.
Oh. GJ Khaled. Oh.
Bro, we are super clean, bro.
Yeah, we should have a super clean ride up. One hour's pumping. 4 hour looks good. 15 looks lovely. Just broke the high again. So yeah. Oh no.
Oh no. Yeah, give the central bank a call.
The central bank. All the new traders in pound yen right now.
Tripping.
Heartbeat. Do 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 do.
If you're usually a Quaker, this is the time to work on your composure while being in a trade. Look at it as an opportunity to work on yourself. You can do it. What are we up, like 4 pips?
4 5. Just got off the font. Rothschild Jr. Let's go, Amanda. Let's go. Big vibes. We're getting them push-ups in. Gold, let's see Nas here. Nas starting to come down here on the 15, right? Yeah, so look, our plan is potentially playing out. Gold just, yeah. Gold should come into this support level here, and then if we do create support, now we got a nice clean move, you know? Nice clean move coming back up. Clean traffic for us to trade in. So this is what we've been waiting for all day here on gold. So we'll see if we get it. It might take a little while, but
I wonder what news is gonna do. Yeah.
You could do it, GJ. You could do it. Doom. Can we move our stops? Yeah, you guys can do whatever you like. You guys can move your stops to current 30 if you like. You can even go current 15 if you like, which is break even. Yep.
I think I'm just gonna manage this up to 30.
Ditto. GJ Khaled, the Stu brothers. Stu.
Bring out the volume.
Yeah.
I wonder if news is gonna affect pound yen.
Yeah, we get a nice 1 hour closure here on GJ. Should be nice. Push-ups. It's a slow burner. Yeah, slow. Yeah, not much here at 9:30 today. Gold drove down a little bit, but yeah, this is good on the 1 hour though. We needed some sort of move down here on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we got what, 6 minutes? 6 minutes for the close. Should we enter buys off 15? No, because the news is coming in, so I don't want to enter into a new position with the news coming out on gold. If GJ breaks the highs, it may run. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, remember I opted into paying a certain price, right? To see if my idea will work out. So I'm cool with the risk I have. I have a plan to manage if I need to. I have a plan to manage if price goes up or down here, so. Nas sells coming in. Yeah, Nas could, if we would have to close below though, but we're breaking the high. So I'm not going to touch anything on Nas or gold for the new 1 hour open. Yeah, I want to see how news comes out. But right now, 15 minutes trying to create a support. GG. 15, yeah, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. As long as we remain above 187, whatever this is, 880, 187, 880. Yeah, this zone here, you should move up. Yeah, the 15-minute, this is giving it a little bit of a problem right here. This resistance here. So let's see what happens with that. Yeah, you may see 15-minute time frame too come down, right, and plant a new support down here for price to keep going up. But like I said, trade's heavily based off 30-minute time frame. Do I come live every day? Every day, Monday through Friday. Yeah, 1 hour is trying to actually establish its own support here. So the support was already formed on the 30 right here. Now the 1 hour is trying to establish support as well. Can news affect GJ? Yeah, of course. Nas, man. Nas did nothing here at 9:30. I think the problem was that 30-minute close and no bottom wick. Yeah, and gold just, the 1 hour really needed a pullback here. Why are you trading around news? Well, we took the trade at 9:30. So I always trade at 9:30. Go look at my stats. You'll see 9:30 everywhere. So at 9:30, you're expecting volume to come in. If the volume doesn't come in yet, there's nothing I can do, right? I'm in the trade now. I believe in the idea. Just gonna hold it. Yeah, I don't enter at news, right? Like I won't take a trade at 10. But if I just happen to be stuck in a move, then I'll just hang tight. Right? I've already accepted the loss before I put the trade on, so that's pretty much the reason why. Tony Shark, fair, yeah, I think. GJ to the moon.
Let's see, GJ, 1 minute.
Yeah, we'll see. Regardless, remember, gang, whether this goes up or down, right? Whether this shoots up like this or shoots down like this, I've already accepted both outcomes.
Correct.
If USD is positive, GJ may push up. Yeah, I want to see something here on gold though. There we go. There's news. Let's see what happens here on GJ. "30-minute candle has opened. Gold is nice little pack runner there. Nas moving up. So yeah, Nas, we just need some sort of resistance, and I think we're good to go. Gold needs a support, and we should be straight. And then, yeah, we're in this move here. See if the 1 hour got what it takes. We broke lows on the 30 while we made that 1 hour wick. Let's go ahead and see what the 15 looking like. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop just up in the range a little bit. Yeah, just in case we break that 1 hour low. Why does my charts look totally different here?
Right, bro?
On pound yen.
That was low key the weirdest trade I've ever took on GJ.
Yeah, my broker looks totally different here from TradingView. All right, let's see if we could break the highs and get the show on the road here. Yeah, man, Nas actually looks really good. You actually did get a closure there on Nas. I like it. I actually really like this. Yeah, based off the 1 hour, I'm gonna have some sell stops here. Stops are gonna be kept above. Yeah, this should drive. This should drive. Yeah, I think I've been activated. Perfect. See if GJ can move up here. Yeah, GJ, I'm just gonna move my stops below the 1 hour low there. That's the only option I got here. Yeah. Yes, I'm in sells here on Nas. So we broke that high, and then we re-broke the low here, and we are expecting a move down here on Nas. So we'll see if we get that, and then gold just doing its thing here. First on stream with Nas. Nah, we took one more with Nas. Yeah, it took one on like Wednesday, I think. Yeah, this 1 hour should drive. That's what we were expecting. Nas to close below and then start driving here and fill that wick. Yeah, gold we got to wait on. GJ should be getting some motion here. Yo, those pips look crazy on Nas. What the heck?
I know, bro.
Risk management on GJ? Yeah, GJ, we just move your stops to the current 30 low. That's what I'm doing. It just looks a little different on my actual screen here. Yeah. Yeah, we should drive on Nas. Alright, GJ re-breaking the high, which is good. And Nas should move down. Come on, GJ. Come on.
GJ.
Making us wait here. Stop loss is 30-minute low. Yeah, you can move it to like the current 1 hour candle, 30-minute low. That's what I did. You could do it, GJ. You could do it. Go, GJ, go. All right, we broke the high there, which is good. Nas trying to work its way down here too.
Slippage is crazy on GJ.
Yeah. All right, yeah, Nas I'm gonna close right there. Because I don't know how to close partials with just one position. So Nas I'm gonna close, and then GJ is still working here. Yeah, Green, how do I close partials on only an individual trade? I forgot how to do that. I think it's whichever window's open, is it? Press volume on trade. Click trade. Yeah, I forgot how to do it. Come on, GJ, get there. Yeah, GJ's I'm closing partials here as well. So I'll just close 80% of my position on pound yen. And then I'll also close probably a little bit more up here. Yeah, W, both of them worked out. Both worked out well.
Barely up anything on pound yen.
Yeah, I got 10 pips. 10 pips. And GJ, I'm gonna go break even as well on my stops. Yeah, Nas looking good too. Oh yeah, we're out of Nas. So yeah, W trades. For those of you guys that are holding Nas, good stuff. I closed at, I think, what was that? Whatever that was. 14 pips, if that's what you call it. 14 points. And then GJ could continue running here. Yeah. Go, GJ, go. Yeah, stops are at B. Update the win record. Just a moment. So we're coming into this zone here. That's why we close 80% on pound yen, and we'll see if we can get this thing to run up. This may take time. This may happen like throughout the morning. So. Yeah, I forgot how to close both on, or close each individual position. So that's why I just closed full on Nas and just let GJ rock. Go, GJ, go. So yeah, I'm B on pound yen. All right, yeah, let's mark those up.
All right.
Yo, how'd this thing get down here? How do you
All
move
right,
this?
brother, that's gonna do it for me today.
All right, Johnny boy.
I'll catch you later today.
You
Right?
still holding pound yen?
Nah, I closed.
Okay, cool.
Peace out, chat.
Sweet.
Have a good day.
All right, John. See you later, bro.
Peace.
All right, so we had GJ at 9:30 here. AM 19. GJ buy, breakout, current 30-minute, full, and then I'll wait until we close there, and then 10 a.m. was Nas, right? 10 a.m. Oh, 24. Breakout. Yeah, we had a pack runner on that too. Yeah, Nas had the pack runner going on. Yeah, you see that? Broke the highs with news and then drove down. So we're not we filled the wick, so we don't really have to go any further. But we did get that wick fill. Nice trader next door. Good stuff. Good work. Yeah, we'll see if we can hang in there on pound yen, but yeah, I closed 80%. 5 closing no top wick here too. Yeah, you make it like a retest now of this zone right here. On the 5, so we'll see. Gold's still driving down here. Yeah, gold was due for a drive down, honestly. 1 hour just been running up for quite some time there. Taking same lots. Yeah, same percentage risk. Yep. Yep. First W? Oh, nice. Beautiful. Thanks for putting this up every day. Gotcha. Gotcha. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Good advice, Cam. I'm not sure who that's to, but that's some good advice. You know, a lot of you guys think, oh, man, I suck at trading. And you think you're down in life. You're just down in the chart. You're just learning a new skill set. You know, give yourself time. This is always going to be a learning journey. Always. Like, I don't care if you're 1 year in, 5 years in, 10 years in. You're always going to be learning. So just give yourself some grace and, you know, just keep your head up and keep moving on. I don't know what happened, but that would be my advice as well. You know, you're definitely not. A lot of you guys think because you lose trades, you suck at life. Meanwhile, you've probably got great careers, great families. You're in good physical condition. You're healthy. Come on, baby, you're winning. You're winning. You're just trying to get the hang of the trading thing. Hey, nice brill. Good work. Good work, good work. Another day with patience and discipline. Yeah, took three playbook setups here today. One of them didn't work out, but it was an A+ setup. The other two did. Yeah, let's mark it up here in on TradeZella as well. Oh yeah, they don't have it up yet. Yeah, we gotta wait. Gotta wait. Yeah, TradeZella takes like an hour or two to get the trades in. Yeah, I think they're working on that, some like instant, but right now, you guys notice the same thing, right? Those of you guys that use TradeZella. Nas was a 1 hour breakout. Yeah, you see how we're kind of holding up now? So that was the wick fill, and that was it, because we're very bullish on Nas overall, but we did understand that the 4 hour gave us a resistance. The daily is also just in these all-time highs, so you could expect that pullback, right, during these times. So that was it. It was just a simple wick fill, right? We wanted to see if a 30 can close below for us. It did, but it closed with no top wick, right? So then we were forced to wait on the 1 hour close. And then what happened with the 1 hour close? The 1 hour closed, and it closed bearish below the range, right? Then we grabbed the pack right here with the news, had a low, and then that low was our entry to fill this wick. Yep. Can you explain why you didn't move stops to break even on GJ before the news? Yeah, because I already had accepted my loss. I already knew what I was willing to risk, and I knew my stops were in a valid area, right? My stops were sitting right below these lows here. Very valid, right? You had a 30-minute support. You also had a 15-minute support. So I trusted in the stop. And I was okay with taking the full loss anyway, right? And the way I would have managed it is if we would have broke that low again, I would have been out, right? As you guys seen, we moved our stops to the current 1 hour high once we started breaking the previous. And that was it. You know, I was okay with the move. I liked where my stops were. I liked the direction. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, all lined up for a beautiful trade, at least to give this candle a top wick, right? You see where we're kind of rejecting? We're rejecting right at our advantage point here. So that was the idea there, was to come up. There's also another wick to the left right here, that you would expect price to come into the zone, right into this range here. So that's why we took partials 80% right there, and then we just hang on and see if it wants to run. You know, if not, then you may see candles move back down, and that's totally fine. We're at break even at this point. We've got no worries. We've got no worries. We've got no risk. We've already closed partials, and it's a good day. GJ takes time. GJ is not the pair it used to be. So sometimes it's just going to take a little bit to get to where it needs to go. But all in all, price still looks really good to continue up. Right? 30-minute looking good, 1 hour looking good, 4 hour looking very good. But we did want to take partials at that advantage point right there. Yeah. Yeah, Nas sniped the wick fill, yep. Yeah, and that was the idea for Nas, right? That wick fill. Simple wick fill. Plus, if you notice, we came right into this zone right here. Right to that resistance. Boom. Yeah, I closed because it was the best idea for me, being that I wasn't sure how to close partials on this pair alone. So I just closed. You know, I just closed. GJ getting old. GJ getting old, Scott. Man, GJ used to be like the most volatile pair ever. Did I get hit at BE? No, I'm still in here on pound yen. We closed bearish here on the 5. Yeah, like I said, we might want to retest this zone here before moving back up. But if we get BE here, it's no issue. No problemo. You guys can even keep... So, I think a lot of you guys were confused on the management there just because my candles look super weird. Right? But we were using the risk management, right, that we talked about. Right? Let's do this real quick. Right? This was our stop. You can't go and do these things too prematurely as well, right? It's got to make sense, logical sense to what the charts are saying, right? So when we moved this stop here once that 1 hour created the low, right? Until then, you can't really move it. You don't want to rush and move it on the, lower time frames just to move it, right? These are valid stops until we create a new low. This is the low. So now that we created that new low, we move stops to the current 1 hour, and it just looked weird on my terminal, right? That's probably why you guys were a little confused, but yeah. But yeah, so that's the trade. I'm hit at B there. Beautiful. Good work, guys. Way to be patient, way to be disciplined. Not too much volume here today. Expected a bit more volume, but yeah. Why the chart's so dead? Thanks, Grizzly. Appreciate that, man. I do realize it. And that's why I'm here every day. There's a lot of behind the scenes work that goes in. There's also a lot of behind the scenes testimonials, right? So I'm just happy to be here. I'm honored. Shall we close in prayer of gratitude, Brother Nick? I think we should. I think that's a great idea. Yep. Would you have taken this 30 pack on gold? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. I'm expecting oh yeah, we did break the 4 hour lows there. So yeah, I think the direction has shifted here on gold. Now that we've broken those 4 hour lows, and price should move down now. Yeah, it wasn't bad. Was not bad. All right, we're out of here, right? I think we're gonna get going. let me pray for you guys before you guys get going. Even if you don't believe, let me just say a prayer for you as you go into the weekend. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you. We thank you for a blessed week. We thank you for all your knowledge and wisdom this week. I pray that hearts and minds were not only saved, but improved this week, Lord. I pray that one, yesterday there was 99 in your arms, but there was one here on the stream, Lord, and I know you got him. I know it. I'm very confident in it, Lord. I thank you for using me to be a blessing in the lives of this community. I thank you for the opportunity to do it as well, and I just pray blessings on everyone's family as they move into the weekend, and that you would go before them next week and make it a prosperous one. So we thank you, Lord. We just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, gang. Love y'all. I'm going to get up out of here. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Enjoy it with your families. Get off the charts a little bit. Get your minds right. And we'll be back on Monday. Cool? I'll see y'all, man. Have a great one. Love you guys. Mods, thanks for pulling up as always. I got that special treat for you guys next week. And I'm going to have a treat for some of the rest of you guys in the chat too. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one. Be blessed.